Thank you for joining us for Tennessee Probate Law from A to Z. Hi, I'm Attorney Dan Scott, and I'm talking through the probate process, and we're using the alphabet A to Z as a construct to walk us through that process. Today we're going to talk about the letter H. And as we talk about the letter H, we're focusing on the word holographic. Holographic. You probably heard the word, but not sure exactly what it means. What it really means is a handwriting that you have made that's for the purposes of making a will or for changing a will. We call that a holographic will, or we call it a holographic codicil. Okay, a codicil is simply an amendment or an addition to the will. So when you say it's a holographic will, what you're saying is that it is written entirely in your own hand, and it's signed by you, and it doesn't have to have the normal witnesses that a regular will would have, but you may have trouble getting it proved to be your own will, right? And so you can do a holographic will, or you can do a codicil. If you're going to do a codicil, you handwrite the changes that you want to make to your will and say the date of the will that you're changing, and then you establish what changes you want to make. Now look, lawyers don't want you to do that. I don't want you to do that, right? The reason why I don't want you to do it is because they're often the subject of litigation, subject of fights, because candidly, they're often not very clear. They're clear to you when you write them, but then when we're trying to decide what they mean after your passing, sometimes they're not very clear. So a holographic will is enforceable. A holographic codicil is enforceable. They both have to be in your own hand. I hope this was helpful to you. I hope you check out some of the other videos on the Tennessee Probate Law from A to Z. They're sure to help you learn a little bit more about probate law in Tennessee.